guys, and welcome to another unboxing video with Thomas. Today I'll be having a vrijwit in the meantime. Cheers. Ah, nice. It's a very light sort of wheat beer. I usually like wheat beer a lot. Right, so let's get to unboxing this. It actually says on it what it is, the Hex80 in anodized grey. There's a absolute metric fuck ton of stickers on this, but yeah, let's have a look. Right, where do I even begin? This came in during my holiday. I had 3 back-to-back things this summer, a 3-day wedding in the south of the country, a road trip to Sri Lanka, and a week-long festival in Portugal. So I was absolutely knackered when I came back, but I'm glad to be back in the saddle again. So, why is this not opening yet? Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, I'm gonna use more violence. So. Right. There you go. The ATK Gear XQK Hex80 Hall Effect keyboard. And they went with this sort of pixelated theme. Let me show you that a little bit more if the lights don't reflect too badly, because that's also on the keycaps, which I will show you in a bit. Anything else on this box? No. I guess they kept it to the point. More beer. It's very, very light. I think the Americans among you may like it. So, okay. Get rid of that. Open sesame. There you go. Well, whatever. Oh, and a case inside. Yes, a reference chart entirely in Chinese. On the other side, also entirely in Chinese. I think I might know where this company is from. User manual, also in Chinese. Is it also in English? No, it's entirely in Chinese. Okay. Well, I hope it doesn't get, it doesn't break or anything then. Product warranty guide, all in Chinese. Fucking hell, guys. Jeez. Blah, blah, blah. Right, let's have a look in this little goodie bag. More alcohol. Nice. Cool. Keycap and switch puller. You've seen this 1,000 times already on this channel by now. Let's see, it looks like some switches. These look like a sort of latte switches. No, most switches are usually compared to foodstuffs for some reason, so I guess that would be it. You can tell it's a Hall Effect switch because the bottom is closed and there's no pins coming from it. So yeah, that makes sense. It looks similar to some other Hall Effect switches I've shown so far. It's very MX shaped and with a slightly different light pipe than some other switches I've shown recently. On it, it says Owl Lab. I think I've heard of that before. Okay, so I kind of forgot what switches were in this. I just know it's a Hall Effect keyboard. I get rid of that. Get rid of that. Motherfuck it. Cable. Braided cable. Simple USB-C to USB A. Excuse me. That's the problem of drinking beer. Get very gassy. Well, I guess I get gassy from absolutely everything. My stomach is basically one horrible tar pit. Keycap puller. Interesting. So we got 2 of them. Oh god, I think I've seen this one before. In another keyboard I unboxed a while ago. This abomination. Oh, it's actually... This one's even more complicated. So on one hand, you get you get these fold-out things for grabbing, you know, keycaps and whatnot, and then on the other end, it's this weird-ass claw. Now I've seen it in the iteration where it had 2 claws, but this one has 4, and I guess, yeah, exactly. So as I recall, you should be able to, well, you just stick it on a switch and then you pull it out, basically. That's the short of it. But you should be able to push it back out again, and I can't see a way to do that because this button on the other side is doing absolutely jack. But what? Whatever, I'll figure this out in my own time. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Cool. I think nothing else in this case. So let's get to the main course. Oh. Okay. Interesting. It's packaged in cellophane inside. You don't see that very often. Before removing the protective film, carefully inspect the keyboard for cosmetic defects. If you find any issues, please contact your seller immediately for warranty evaluation. Well, thankfully, I'm not too scared of that. So, wow, some crow outside is clearly protesting this fact. There you go. Open that. Some people get really, really iffy with tiny blemishes on their keyboards. I don't mind too much, you know. They're working keyboards. I use them all. I test them all. It's fine. I deliberately don't fully clean them before reviews as well, because I don't want it to look like it just came out of the box. I want to subtly remind you that I've been using it for a week. Okay, now, so there you go. The ATK Hex80 keyboards. Not entirely sure why it's called Hex, if I'm brutally honest, but I guess I'll ask them or something. Oh, the back's a bit weird. Well, I'll get to that in a bit. First, let's look at the keyboard itself. Yeah, that's working. Interestingly, I just noticed that motherfuck it. The keycaps. Oh, don't. No. Keep connected. Don't start flipping out. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know why it's doing that, but the keycaps are semi-transparent, so you can see the light pipes through the keycaps, and that's the effect you're seeing now. Why it's doing this weird flip-out thing, I don't know, maybe it's the connection or something. In any case, and a little embellishment on the right here as well. Some sort of light circle. Yay, more RGB. Interesting. I must admit that this Actually looks slightly better than I thought it would. So let me just zoom the back up to the camera. So here you can see this dot-like pattern on the keycaps that I talked about. It's also on the box. I must say, I mean, it looked worse than this, I think, in the picture. Either that or I just didn't like it as much. I think this is... Oh, these are buttons. Interesting. These little things here are pushable. Yeah, so I was saying it looks a little bit better than I thought. I mean, this font is kind of a big ask to like, but overall it looks better than I thought it would. The chassis itself is very simple brick shape, but yeah, that's not bad. Now about these feet, because what the hell is this? How does this work? So it's got two completely different feet. That one there, that one there. Are they movable? No, I think I'm reading too much into it. This is just a stylized choice. Weird. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Some sort of weight at the back, which I don't think I can remove. Quite weighty. Is that a little bit of a rattle? I don't know. I'll have to check that. Maybe it's the case hitting the table before the feet. I don't know. Cool. So, well, I guess I have to check this out in a bit. My my to-do list is getting ever longer, so as always, it will take a couple of months before I can get to this, really. But that's all right. It's not going to run away. Is that a little bit of unevenness in it, or my table is not entirely flat? I should specify. Well, something else I'll have to check out. Well, in any case, I think I'm gonna call it for today. Thank you very much for watching, for joining me in this unboxing video. You'll see me in a review video, I think, next week. Not that one, a different one. And in the meantime, have a good time, and see you later, guys.